top tree of 369. So 369, it can be written as 3 times 123. 3 times 123 means 369. 123, it can be written as 3 times 41. 3 times 41 means 123. So now we select prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers are 3, 3 and 41. So we can write 369 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 3 times this 3 times this 41. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.